Hello and welcome to our channel WoodTurning. WoodTurning is the craft of using the wood lathe with the handheld tools to cut a shape that is symmetrical around the axis of rotation. Like the potter's wheel, the wood lathe is a simple mechanism which can generate a variety of forms. Today we will make wood bowl from the wood material which we have. The first gauge that we will use is half-inch spindle gauge. The next gauge requirement is 5 by 8 inch bowl gauge. The other gauge requirement is 3 by 4 inch bowl gauge. Now, by looking at a wood material, it's obvious that we will need to remove all the unwanted upper layer wood part from the sample. First, we will cut the wood into half and then we will draw a circle on it to cut the required shape. Next, we set up our main wood sample on the roughing machine. Now we use the roughing gauge to remove the unwanted layers of wood from our sample. Now we put a little LED light inside the hollowed part so that we can have a proper look from within. Next, we give it a fine shape from inside and we apply wood shining coat on it from inside. Next, we mark the size for the upper part of the goblet using a pencil. Now we start with the thinning process. When we reduce the wood, give it a thin shape. We have to perform this process very carefully because a little mistake can cause the damage to our wood sample. As you can see, our wood sample has got its required shape. Now we flip our wood sample to apply a wood shining coat on it. The other gauge requirement is 3 by 4 inch bowl gauge. Now, by looking at a wood material, it's obvious that we will need to remove all the unwanted upper layer wood part from the sample. First, we will cut the wood into half and then we will draw a circle on it to cut the required shape. Once the thinning process is done, we again apply the wood shining coat on our wood bowl to give a fine and shining look. As you can see in the video that our wood bowls are looking good, clean and shiny. Next we put the tissue on the part of machine which hold the wood from inside so that the wood don't break from inside. I hope everyone had fun watching our today's video. Please give a like to our video. For more new videos, subscribe our channel WoodTurning and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our new video.